Our Kinara has said it many times, but maybe it has not been, the media has not picked it. The amount of money that is spent by Parliament moving from one country to the other, it's a lot of money. The speakers, for example, especially in the Senate, they actually exchange suitcases at the airport. He has so many places to go, he has no time, to cover all the trips that have been earmarked for him in a year. If we cannot focus on this also, I think it's something, 41 billion shillings to Parliament compared to the judiciary at 20-something, 22 or something like that, and the housing at 29. There are areas where these characters can focus on and still achieve some of the things they think need to be achieved. Of course, not housing, without taxing the Kenyans. Taxing the merry-go-round, Mama Boka na wale I don't know whether you understand. Mount Kenya is full of those merry-go-rounds. And merry-go-round, chamas, all those, table banking. So you introduce table banking so that you can get a mrija kukunywa maziwa ya kina mama jikoni. So this is really taxing people while they are sitting at the fireplace. It's really not something that we need to sit loud and wait. But Baba, as I was coming from Nyandarua the other day, I bought some fruits. And a lady who was selling fruits to me said, "When nimekuona kwa Azimio, this pineapple, I am buying it for you, for Baba. Take it to Baba and tell Baba, you are our only hope. Ukirudi nyuma, Wakenya watapata shida." Kwa hivyo, Kenyans are looking at what you are doing and the leadership that you are giving to us. Na jana usiku nikawaambiwa, wanagojea tu kuambiwa twende. Pali utasema watu waende, hapo ndio watu wataenda. Wame give up kwa hii watu ambao wako hapa. Asante sana. Thank you so much.
Before I invite the last two speakers, let me introduce some of us who are in the room. We have the Honorable Peter Orero, who is our host MP, the MP for Kibra. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Orero. We have Mr. Yagwik Ramji, the Deputy Party Leader of Roots Party. Makofi kwake. We have Ambassador Elkana Odembo. I'm sure you all know him. Karibu sana Balozi. We have Sheikh Juma Ngao and his colleague. Very good, Mashae. Thank you very much. Of course, we have in the house our technical team. They have been joined now by Professor Adam Solo, Durongwen, and the rest of the team. Let me invite Honorable Wajakwe to make yes, I'll be inviting, of course, Honorable Paranya to come in later. He's the chairman of the